As the anticipation builds for the Apple Watch Series X, set to be unveiled in late summer or early fall of 2024, several major changes and upgrades have been leaked. These changes promise to enhance the functionality, design, and overall user experience of Apple's flagship smartwatch. Here's a deep dive into the 5 most significant leaks about the upcoming Apple Watch Series X. According to reports, the Apple Watch is expected to feature a slimmer design and offer larger screen size options. The renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo mentioned in a June report that Apple plans to increase the screen sizes from 41mm and 45mm to 45mm and 49mm respectively. This change aligns with Apple's trend of gradually increasing the screen size of their watches over the years. The slimmer design is anticipated to make the watch more comfortable to wear, while providing users with a larger display for better visibility and interaction. A significant innovation in the Apple Watch is the introduction of a new magnetic band attachment system. This change, highlighted by CNET, could replace the traditional method of sliding bands into the watch chassis and locking them in place. By adopting a magnetic system, Apple aims to free up internal space within the watch. This additional space could be utilized for other components, such as a larger battery, enhancing the watch's overall performance and longevity. The magnetic bands are also expected to make it easier for users to switch bands quickly and securely, adding to the watch's versatility and user-friendliness. The Apple Watch is likely to come with several advanced health features, continuing Apple's focus on health and wellness. As reported by CNET, one of the most anticipated features is blood pressure monitoring. While the watch might not provide exact systolic and diastolic measurements, it will reportedly offer insights into when a person's blood pressure is high and allow users to maintain a blood pressure journal. Additionally, the watch could include a new system for detecting sleep apnea by monitoring sleeping and breathing patterns. This would significantly enhance the Apple Watch's current sleep tracking capabilities, making it a more comprehensive health device. One of the standout features rumored for the Apple Watch is the introduction of a micro-LED display. Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman suggests that the micro-LED technology could debut in this model. Micro-LED displays are known for being more energy efficient and brighter than the OLED screens currently used in Apple Watches. They also offer better responsiveness and more consistent viewing angles, which would greatly improve the user experience. However, it's worth noting that there is some uncertainty about when this feature will be available. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that the micro-LED display might not arrive until 2025 or 2026, suggesting that users may have to wait a bit longer for this upgrade. Another interesting point raised by CNET concerns the blood oxygen monitoring feature. Due to an ongoing patent dispute with Masimo, a medical device maker, the blood oxygen sensors have been removed from the Apple Watch Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2 in the US. This legal issue casts doubt on whether the Apple Watch X will include this feature. Blood oxygen monitoring has been a significant selling point for the Apple Watch, and its absence could impact the watch's appeal. Nevertheless, Apple is likely to find alternative ways to maintain the health-focused functionalities of its smartwatch, given its investment in this area. The Apple Watch Series X is anticipated to be released on either September 20th or September 27th, 2024. It is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 16, following Apple's traditional fall release schedule. In terms of pricing, Apple has historically maintained a starting price of $400 for its standard models. Assuming this trend continues with the Apple Watch Series X, the 41mm version is expected to be priced at $400, while the 45mm version would be priced at $429. For those who want cellular connectivity, an additional $100 is expected, making the prices $500 and $529 for the 41mm and 45mm versions, respectively. Additionally, opting for case materials other than aluminum, such as stainless steel or titanium, will also cost extra. Stainless steel models typically start around $700, while titanium models can start at $800, and go up based on customization options and additional features. The Apple Watch Series X promises to bring several exciting changes, from a larger and more advanced display to significant improvements in battery life and health tracking features. The redesigned case and new band connection system, along with enhanced build materials, will offer a fresh and modern look. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Until next time.